are Sambas the Bambas? They are the result of a few questions. Why do we use animals or plastics in our clothes when it is unnecessary, toxic, and cruel? Why are shoes not shaped like feet to respect their natural abilities? Why do we use seasonal colours or designs for boys and girls, children and adults? Why keep doing things the old-fashioned way? This is my Auntie Victoria. After many years working in the footwear industry, she felt she could do better for her children and the planet, and took a leap with the whole family to make a natural step. And here they are! Plant-based and foot-friendly Bambas, the natural step to the future of shoes. More than vegan, Sambas are plastic-free. All on your feet. Make your natural step. Be part of this with us.